Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into some basic but super useful Python string methods that can help make text manipulation a breeze. Let's get started. First up, we have a simple string, hello Python. Let's walk through some built-in string methods that you can use to change how this text looks. Lower. This method converts all the characters in the string to lowercase. Upper. This method changes all the characters to uppercase. Capitalize. It capitalizes the first letter of the string, leaving the rest in lowercase. Title capitalizes the first letter of each word in the string. Swapcase. This method swaps the case of each letter. Lowercase becomes uppercase and vice versa. And that's it. These simple string methods can make your text formatting tasks so much easier. I hope you found this useful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions or want me to cover more Python tips. Catch you in the next one.